Do you guys have any lock washers? Are there any lock washers by chance?
There might be some in that bag. If we need to get some, we can get some.
Okay. You want to put the F in the front.
What's that?
The F on the front on the base plate. Right. So yeah, and then when it goes on, you want to put washers on it, followed by bolts or nuts. Okay, put the washers on there, Ari, and then follow with the nut. Put the nut on there, Ari. Ari, good. Just get it a few spins on there. Give it. You got to come forward a little bit. There you go. Okay. Don't strip it. If it doesn't go on, it doesn't go on. I got a brush to clean that up.
Can you lower that?
Yeah. Get that one more nut down there, and we'll. That's okay.